Are your groundbreaking peptide discoveries at risk? The rapid interest in nasal peptide delivery for research has outpaced regulatory clarity, creating a critical compliance gray zone. This legal ambiguity can jeopardize years of meticulous laboratory work and significant investment. Understanding these regulatory challenges isn't just about adherence, it's about protecting your innovation and ensuring your research compounds can ethically and effectively advance scientific knowledge. Join me as we dissect this evolving landscape.
Peptides are vital signaling molecules studied extensively in laboratory research. Understanding their precise structure and function is key for novel discoveries. Most nasal peptides marketed online for research lack formal regulatory approval, creating significant uncertainty around quality and stability. Delivery route critically influences how a research compound behaves. Nasal delivery alters absorption dynamics compared to controlled injections. While a nose-to-brain pathway exists for certain molecules, many peptides degrade quickly in the nasal environment, impacting research outcomes. Without specific regulatory oversight, there are no requirements for stability, absorption, or long-term safety studies in research applications.
One of the most profound conceptual challenges in this space is the tension between rapid scientific exploration and the methodical pace of regulatory framework development. The very definition and oversight of a research chemical, particularly when new delivery methods emerge, creates an inherent ambiguity. This gray area, if unaddressed, threatens the credibility of legitimate research and invites significant strategic compliance pitfalls for innovators. For more critical insights into biotech compliance and regulatory strategy, follow me, Anya Sharma, and subscribe to Peptides.today for cutting-edge analysis.
From a regulatory perspective, delivery method defines a compound's classification and required research testing. This distinction is vital for compliance. Selank and Cmax are sometimes mentioned in nasal research. Oxytocin is also studied intranasally in controlled laboratory settings. Compounds like BPC 157, PT 141, and GHKCU are overwhelmingly studied via injection, given their bioavailability and existing research evidence. The research chemical label often disguises products marketed ambiguously, lacking crucial quality control for valid laboratory experimentation. Independent testing reveals many research peptides are mislabeled, impure, or contain contaminants, posing significant risks to experimental validity.
The regulatory landscape for peptide research, particularly concerning nasal delivery, is undeniably dynamic and will continue to evolve. Clearer guidance and proactive enforcement are anticipated, making foresight and preparedness paramount. For researchers and organizations, prioritizing evidence-based research and robust compliance isn't a barrier to innovation. It's a strategic necessity to ensure your discoveries can meaningfully advance. Follow me, Anya Sharma, and Peptides.today for ongoing strategic regulatory intelligence. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.